how to make veggie scoops. This recipe comes from Brooklyn, Kaylee, and Hansiel at Prosper High School and Prosper ISD. First, I am going to wash and cut the vegetables. Today, I am using cucumbers, tomatoes, and carrots. When you are done, arrange them on your plate. Next, I'm going to make the sauce. You'll need a bowl and something to mix. And add 3/4 cup of Greek yogurt, 1/2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of dill weed, and 1 pinch of salt. And combine thoroughly. Lastly, I arrange everything on a plate and serve. If you don't have these vegetables, you can substitute it for other vegetables like bell pepper or celery.